Hello, today we will be creating centroid points from shapefile polygons and we will be exporting them in Excel. So let's get started. This is the Nigerian shapefile and so let's just go straight. So this is how you do it. You can simply come to your search tab here and just type centroid and you will see this feature to point. It's in data management. So alternatively, you can come to your Arc toolbox. If you don't have this stuff by the sides, you can just come here and you will see search here. As for the Arc toolbox, it's always here. All right. So I have my own here for easy access. So what we'll do now, data management, will come to features, right? And we will come to feature to polygon. Double click on it and you will have to select the shapefile polygon which you want to generate the centroid for it. So in this case, my Nigerian shapefile is being loaded in. So while we wait. Alright, so our feature to point dialog box has opened. So our feature to point is open now and we have my shapefile polygon here. So now here is where I'm going to choose where I want to store the point. So I have a folder already on my system that I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to call it centroid. Okay, so now I'm going to click OK for it to run. So it's running in background. So we wait. So notice, voila, we have our centroids here on the map now showing. Now showing on the map. So I want us to see something. I'm going to check the attribute table now. So if you hold on, okay. So if we open our attribute table, look at what we have in the attribute table. So the centroid points will carry the same information. Okay. So okay, it has an additional ID column, which is not important. We can delete it if we want. Right click and delete it. Alright, so one beautiful thing with the centroid is that it carries exactly the same information that we will have in the polygon. So I need us to see something. Notice this point. Let me select it for you to see. Notice this local government. The central point is here and it's a problem, but not to worry, we can always rearrange this point. So at this point, I'm going to open our editors because I need to move this point. So yeah, here we go. So I'll just click on the point and drag it to where I want to drop it. Notice it's better now, right? Same with this one, so that we won't have a confusion with what we want to do. The same thing for here. I could drop it here and I think every other thing is fine. At least for this one, I think I should move it somewhere here. Alright, that's perfect now. So the next thing we want to do now is to export these points in coordinates X and Y. Alright, we want to create X and Y and export it in Excel, where we can use it in other applications like Power BI, Tableau, and the rest. Google Map, ArcGIS online, if we need to, if we want to. So let's create. So what we want to do is to have an additional column that can show us the longitude and latitude of each of these points. So let's go over to that. So a shortcut you can use is to come to the search and type add X and Y. When you search, you're going to see this. Okay, so it's the second one, not the coverage. Data management, add X and Y coordinates. So you just click it. I like shortcuts, it makes the work faster. So now it's the centroid that we want to work with. And we're going to click OK for it to run. The point features whose X and Y coordinates will be appended as point X and Y fields. So this is that point feature where we are going to generate the X and Y coordinates. So I click OK and it's running now. Okay, the table is not editable field. Okay, so let's see why. Stop the editor. Okay, so let's run that again. Add X and Y. Okay, so it's running. So why it couldn't run was because our editor was on. So take note. Wow, success. So let's check our centroid attribute table. Wow, we have our longitude and latitude here. The longitude and latitude of this point. So now, the next thing we want to do, we're going to export it in Excel. Alright, so we simply come to the Arc toolbox and we make our way to conversion tools. So over here you find other things here, but our concern is Excel. So notice we have Excel to table and we also have table to Excel. In this case it is table, what is in the attribute table, to Excel. So you double click. So you select the shapefile, the point feature, and it's centroid for us. And here you choose where you want it to be stored, where you want the Excel file to be stored. So I want it to be stored in my folder. So I'm going to call it centroid points. Don't worry about this. Okay, save. And I'm going to click OK. So it's working in background and it's going to generate it. Alright, success. So let's check. Let's see the file we exported. Here it is, centroid point. Alright, wow. Notice we have our point X and Y, longitude and latitude here. Now, the good thing is with this file, we can use it in Power BI, Tableau. You can use it at ArcGIS Online and other applications that has this usability. So thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.